So ma'am, ano yung nakikita mong implication sa stability at economy ng bansa kung dalawang highest leader of the land ang may impeachment case, ma'am?
Well, of course, hindi yan ideal situation, but ang prinsipyo din naman sa puso ng anumang impeachment complaint, kung umabot dito sa Senate, ay na nag-pass ng judgment ang House na anong language nila, yung sufficient inform and substance, na may humihingi talagang mamamayan ng accountability on the part of public officials. And nobody can quarrel with that principle of accountability of public officials. Kahit po ang usapin ng stability or yung attractiveness ng economy ay nakasalalay din sa perception, unang-una nating mga Pilipino, and then pati ng international community, na may transparency and accountability, that aspect of good governance sa loob ng bansa. So, although it's not an ideal situation, kung magkaroon man ng dalawang sabay na impeachment trials, tungkulin yan ng Senado, and in the longer run, kung ma-resolve or magsara yung dalawang trials satisfactorily or properly, in the long run, it should contribute sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa.